Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you get the internet connection but you cannot browse Google Chrome or use the Google Play Store. So everything here loads, but if I open any app and press install, it won't download and you can't see any pictures right here. So in order to fix that, we'll need to go to our settings, scroll down and find system, from here date and time, and now just enable use network provided time. If we go back to our Google Chrome and reload the page, it should load properly, and the same is with our Google Play Store. If we open it, the app should download normally. As you can see, pictures load here, I press install, and now after a bit of waiting, it will start downloading. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.